Grandmother, who had taken a fall right before Thanksgiving, had hit her head. She, the normal hurt your hip type of thing, and we gave Grandma 2 chips. She hurt her back. Put 2 chips on her back, and the next day, 7 a.m., my grandmother's calling the house. I need some more of these Band-Aids. I'm like, what are you talking about? She was like, these stickers, I need some more because they worked well. Now I want one on my shoulder. So I'm like, okay, Grandma, we'll get you some more. So that was her situation. Then my mom has arthritis in her hand, and at times she needs to use her other hand to assist to open it and close it. So Mom put the pain chip also on her wrist. She was opening and closing her hand, doing good, and of course we're around Thanksgiving, so she's doing the potato salad, moving, and she's like, I cannot believe I can mash the potatoes, because usually she'll put everything in and then we'll have to stir it for her. Mom made the potato salad. Came out great. So it was just amazing to see those 2 instances. So I started to read more about it, and because I'm pregnant, I was like, well, I'm not going to try it. And as I read, then I listened in on conference calls, and I found that other moms had used it. People use it while they were pregnant. Some people put it on their babies. And so I decided to try it. Once I tried the product and I tried the energy chip, it was amazing, because being pregnant, I'm like, okay, I need a nap. I need 2 naps sometimes. And I never needed one. By 4:30, I was just like, I still hadn't taken my first nap. And it's just really amazing to see how it worked. It was very effective for me personally and for my family. And I told my husband, okay, let's go to step 2 and see. Let's become a part of Ciora.
I'm getting older. I want to stay healthy. I don't like taking a whole bunch of pills, and I've had to take pills over the years. I think being involved in this business, where people can deal with different things that they usually ingest a product, doing it on the outside of their body is a big, big plus with no side effects. That's big. And I think, when we really stop and think about it, we were doing it the wrong way. You think about having a pain in your shoulder, and you take something that goes through your whole body that's got to go through your digestive system and wind up in your liver. Just because you had a pain here, we got a better way. Ciora is a better way.